Just 4 hours south of Washington, D.C. is one of the prettiest treasures of the South. I'm in the Outer Banks of North Carolina. I've never been here before, and everyone told me it's fancy up here. And my newest winner, Andy, is no stranger to this area. He's been vacationing here since he was a kid. After a lifetime of hard work, he wants nothing more than to share his win with his family. So he made the drive from his home in nearby Virginia to meet me in Kitty Hawk and talk dream homes. Big, beautiful, glorious dream homes. Hello, hello.
There he is.
Well, hey.
Hi, David.
How are you?
Good to see you. Thank you for coming.
Smell the money on you.
Welcome to the Outer Banks.
So great
You'll
to be
love
here.
it.
We ordered some charcuterie. Hope you like it.
Yes, please. Thank you. But this is fantastic. What a greeting. And
So-
you guys are who to? Are you guys
She's my daughter-in-law.
daughter-in-law? Fantastic. So your son married this beauty.
Yes, he did.
Wonderful.
You're too kind.
How much money did you win?
I won $5 million.
Oh,
I'm going to spend a lot.
good. How much are we going to go for? I'm going to go right into price.
$550,000, $650,000.
I like that number.
5 to 6 bedrooms.
Okay, we're going big.
Yeah.
We're not going small, are we?
Something that would be very open feel so everyone can be together.
In a number of bathrooms because certain people take longer in the bathroom than others.
We're looking for ocean front.
Not oceanfront, but easy walking distance to the beach.
You can get us a pool and a hot tub. That'd be awesome.
A little bougie, aren't you?
Yeah,
I'll teach you how to be bougie.
Okay.
I'm the
All right.
king and queen of it all.
you were.
The Outer Banks is a striking vacation spot. I found a gorgeous little place I'm calling the Blue Whale, perfectly placed between the ocean and the Sound. And there's views. Doesn't matter if you have a house on the water or near the water, you're getting views no matter what. I love it here. I'm obsessed.
It's cool.
Yes, honey,
Yeah,
look at
it
those
does look-
legs.
What a beautiful neighborhood.
You too, Emily. How you guys doing?
Doing
Good.
good, thank you.
Fantastic. What do you guys think of the house?
It's really
It is
nice.
very nice.
I love the decks.
It's nice, isn't it?
Beautiful.
Yeah,
Let me tell you a little bit about the Blue Whale.
okay.
It's got 6 bedrooms, 6.5 bathrooms, 3,431 square feet, and the price is great. Just a little over budget, $659,000. But it does have everything you guys have asked for and more.
Okay.
You guys ready to check it out?
Yes, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Go.
Big house.
Okay, I'm excited.
Come on in, you guys.
Oh, wow. This is nice.
Here is our main living space.
This is very nice.
Oh, wow. Look how open it is.
Wow,
so
this is
nice.
nice.
And the countertop. It's great.
I like
2
this.
sinks. This is wonderful. You can cook and be a part of everything. Bartend up here.
Yes,
This
I
is
love your
great.
style. See?
Yeah. Bougie.
All right, let's do a little tour.
Great.
So we have our nice dining area here, a little eat-in kitchen.
This is good.
I want you to look out there and just tell me what you see.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
So you're going to have sunset views that are just
Sunset
epic.
and sunrise, because if you look right over
Oh.
here, you get the water there as well.
Okay. Oh, you can see it all the
Yeah.
way. That's so great.
Isn't that nice?
I love that.
Let's check out the master.
Okay. Oh, this is nice.
Is this big enough for you? Actually, I should say, is this big enough for you? Because this would be your
That's
space,
true.
correct?
Well, the more, I think the couch is going to be my space, but,
Seriously?
well, when I bring a lot of people down, so.
You're not bougie at all, are you? Oh, that's so sweet. The non-bougie bougie man.
Yeah.
Want to check out the bathroom?
Yes.
Yeah,
let's do
After
it.
you.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
So a jetted tub.
Double sinks.
Double sinks?
Yeah.
Oh, I do see
Nice.
that.
Be good for somebody else, right?
Oh, yes.
There's another 5 bedrooms downstairs Andy can choose from. And they all come with their own bathroom and balcony. But that real family vacay feel starts down on the first floor.
Oh, here we go.
Fun, a pool table. Oh, wow. Foosball. The kids would love this.
Right.
And a refrigerator.
Yep.
And one thing that I'm really looking forward to is when my grandkids do get older, I would hope they would feel like they can come down here with their friends.
Absolutely. Well, we're not done with the fun. It goes outside as well.
All right.
Come on
All
out,
right.
guys.
Wow, this is nice. This
Yeah,
is cool.
it's
Love
not-
the
Look at
size of the
this.
pool.
It's not small, is it?
No, it's not.
Great.
And then we have a hot tub right here.
Oh, I love that. Kids can get in and out. And when the pool water is a little cold, they can get heated up, hop in and out.
Do you guys like the house?
Yes.
It's a beautiful house.
I think it's really nice. I love that you found a place that has views on both sides.
Super
I'm
rare.
just a little concerned about the busy road right here with little kids and everything. Just concerns me being that close to the road, and we can hear it.
So I'll find you something a little more private.
Sounds good.
Today, I found them a house that, listen, we're in a private gated community. To see a gorgeous house I'm calling Brick Bottom Way. It's huge. It's really fantastic. Perfect for family gatherings. Well, hello.
Well, hey, David.
Hey.
It's a gorgeous day today, isn't it?
It just keeps
so
getting
beautiful.
nicer.
I mean, it's perfect to help you find your dream home, isn't it?
Yes.
Let me tell you a little bit about the house.
Okay.
Brick Bottom Way has 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms, 3,320 square feet, and the price is great. The low end of your budget at $575,000.
Good.
Sounds
Cool.
good.
Ready to check it out?
Yes,
It's
indeed.
great.
Wraparound porch, which is lovely. Come on in. I think we're gonna head downstairs.
Okay.
We're following you.
Start with the fun floor. We have a pool table
Oh,
and a
that's
game room.
nice.
Yeah.
This is big, too.
And I like the color.
It's amazing what color can do, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. A whole lot better.
It's,
Steam a little
it's
bit.
lighter.
Yes.
It's
It
more
is.
fresh. It's more beachy.
I like the tile floor. It's kind of off the outside.
And what's outside?
Looks like a pool.
Because it is a pool.
Yes!
Want to go see it really
I
quick?
do.
I
I
was
want
hoping
to
we
see
were
it.
going to.
Pool and hot tub.
No, I like
this
that.
is nice. And I like the concrete, David.
Yeah, it feels more secure. It feels more permanent. It feels more expensive to me.
Yeah,
It does.
it's really nice.
Good start, huh?
Oh, very nice.
You're doing great.
We haven't even barely scratched the surface of this house.
No.
Okay.
All right, let's get back in there and get to the guts of it.
Love it.
Walk like this, though.
Oh,
All
yeah.
right.
I've got Bouger down.
I love you. Huge deck space up here.
Oh, wonderful.
I mean, just fantastic, isn't
This
it?
is great.
love it.
Yeah.
And just so much space up here, too. You could put a dining table up here and have outdoor lunches and outdoor dinners.
This is
Would be
great.
amazing. All right, you ready to see some bedrooms?
All
We are.
right.
All right. So I'm calling this one kind of the second master.
Oh, this is nice.
A lot of room. Very nice.
Yes, this is big.
Would you
Really
take at
nice.
least one of the 2 masters?
Probably.
That's good. All right, we're gonna get them there.
Yes.
Fantastic. The proper master is 2 flights up, but there are 3 other bedrooms on this floor, and they all have access to a wraparound deck. All right, so I'm dying to show the upstairs. Come on up, you guys.
Oh, wow, David. This is awesome. This is open living.
This is
I love it.
extreme open living.
Wow.
Wonder, do your thing, look around.
This
like
is really
this.
nice. This huge island and all the seating. The kids could sit up there.
It's airy, it's beachy. It's exactly what you
Yes.
think it should be when you come to a beach house.
I like it.
Good.
Oh, this is nice. This is a good size for a master.
Yeah, agreed.
Perfect.
Yeah, overlooking the pool. Check out the master bath.
Okay.
See what you think.
Oh, wow, 2 sinks. Look at this shower.
You know, you can tell that the owners of this house are very proud because this is just that nice.
You know, it's a fancy neighborhood. Maybe people just are super fancy here. Or
Yeah.
what's another word for it?
Bouger.
Bougie. Okay, let's go up to the deck and
Okay.
do all that. Yes.
This is nice.
They have a dining space up here, which I think is perfect.
Oh, this
Oh,
is
yeah.
great.
I mean, look at all this. You can put lounge chairs up
Tons of
here.
space.
I feel like you guys connected with this house.
I like it a lot.
It's
Yeah.
good, right?
Uh-huh.
Give me a pointer of what I can do different for tomorrow.
Maybe a little closer access to the beach. More of
Absolutely.
a direct access.
I love that. All right,
That's
Let me
perfect.
see what I can whip up in my batch of fabulous. Let's go. So I found Lakeside Breeze, just a hop, skip, and a jump to the Atlantic. You have ocean, land, house, lake, water, land, sound. I mean, we're surrounded by water, which is what makes the Outer Banks so special. Cutie pies, I can't even take it. I love these scarves on you. You're embracing the bouge.
Yes, yes, absolutely.
It
Very
looks
important.
good on you.
Thank you.
What do you guys think of this property?
Really impressed.
Is this
Yeah.
water?
This is water.
Yay!
Not just this beautiful lake, but listen really quietly. Do you hear that?
Yeah, the ocean.
The ocean.
The ocean.
We are that close. Let me tell you a little bit about Lakeside Breeze. It has 6 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms, 3,175 square feet, and the price is great at $600,000. Ready to spend some money?
Yes.
Should we go look at it before you write that check?
Okay, let's do.
Let's do it. All right.
Come on in. We'll start with the bedrooms. So here is the master for this level.
Oh my goodness.
Very nice.
It's so spacious. I love that you have 2 masters.
Good,
So many
good.
windows.
Here we have slider out to a hot tub.
Oh,
So nice.
so nice.
Yeah.
So nice.
Can this be my room?
Hey,
Can this be my room?
Yes, I'm sure.
Anyway, I also
We
have
haven't
a-
seen the other rooms, so.
Right, exactly.
Oh yeah.
And
Okay, I'll wait.
You're
to
not picky
decide.
with rooms.
Yeah, he
because
No,
doesn't
I'm
care.
not.
we need to find him a room
Yes.
permanently.
Yes.
But first, I want to show them the living room on the top floor.
All right. Oh, this is beautiful. Look
Isn't
at
this
the
lovely?
views. This is
Wow,
so
nice
beautiful.
open kitchen. Very nice.
It's beachy, it's
Yeah.
casual.
This really does
It's
it.
relaxing. Go check out the kitchen.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is not as big as the kitchens we've seen in both houses.
This is our smallest kitchen we've seen though so far.
Yes.
But, you know, it's still very open.
Yeah, it's the most cozy and the most well appointed. And you can see all of it at once, which is really handy when you're trying to keep an eye on those kitties.
Yes.
Yes.
It really works. I like it.
Good. Master bedroom.
Oh my goodness.
Let's see.
We're gonna call this your room,
Okay.
sir.
Oh, wow. David, this is
this.
so nice.
That's
I
great.
love it.
This wows me.
Good.
And it has its own bathroom.
It
Yes.
does have its own bathroom. Why don't you guys check that out?
Okay.
Oh, this is lovely.
This is spacious. I really like it. This would be a great master bath.
I agree. All right, let's go downstairs. Check
Okay.
out the fun room.
Wow.
Okay.
All right,
More to
one more
come.
level. With all the houses that we've seen, there's been a fun level.
Yeah.
This
Wow.
one is about the same size as Brick Bottom Way.
And a big screen. That's nice.
Exactly.
Great.
We have 2 bedrooms down here and a full-size bathroom.
Okay.
Let's look at this bedroom.
Okay.
This is great. It is small, but it's fun to kind of bunk up and be together.
Yes.
Absolutely. But the real fun on this level is the pool.
Yay. Wow, this is great.
It's cute,
Oh,
isn't
it
it?
is nice.
Yes. It's a little smaller than what we've seen,
Right.
but still, it's just great, and I
But it
love
has a
the
nice shape
steps.
to it, so I like
yeah.
It's a cool shape.
And I do love the white rails.
Good.
Yeah, when I was a kid, that was just something they had in it.
That's fantastic. And to take those memories that are so familiar to you when you were a kid and pass them down to your kids and grandkids, super special.
How blessed are we?
It's great. Before we leave the property, I want to actually walk over to the ocean just to see how close it is.
Let's
I
do
do
it.
too.
I want to see it.
I'm ready.
All right,
Let's do
this. Oh, this is pretty.
Wow. Now this is life at the beach.
This is life at the beach, isn't
I
it?
love it.
This is beautiful, David.
It just took us minutes to be
Minutes.
here.
Yeah, perfect for the kids.
Yes.
And for you guys.
This is great.
We're all together, 3 musketeers.
Yep.
After you, my dear.
All right.
After you, my dear.
Let's buy a house.
Yes.
We've decided we want lakeside breeze.
Yep.
How could you not? It's kind of the perfect house. Close proximity to the beach. It has a water view already. It's really within your budget, like right in the middle of
It
it.
was perfect.
Beautiful.
I'm just looking forward to having my family down there.
To generations of memories.
Absolutely. We decided to choose Lakeside Breeze.
The water view and the proximity to the ocean was the biggest thing for us to put the icing on the cake.
Walking to the beach when there's no one else on the beach. It's just beautiful.
It's just been a blast with the kids, seeing them run around the open spaces.
On your marks,
get set, go!
Go, Landy! Oh!
We're having fun.
You want to go to the beach a little bit later?
To be able to sit out here, watch the sunset, we couldn't be happier. 1, 2, 3, cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah.